Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So, I am only going to be in this video. Hang on one second. So, today I'm going to be playing Roblox. What? Wait, what? Hold up. I have to go this way, right? Yeah. So, today I'll be playing Roblox, so with my brother. This is basically the preview of our channel. Oh crap. But, yeah, this is the preview of our channel. Oh, really? Wow. This video, oh my gosh. Sorry for the background noise, my brother's watching YouTube on our TV. Okay, trying to get, okay. Oh my gosh. Gotta have goldfish. Goldfish is good. Got it. Ryan, turn it down.
Bubba, turn it down, baby.
No!
Yeah. There's no reason for it to be that loud. You're the only one in there. Turn it down.
Getting really angry at myself. No, I don't want to. The game.
Oh.
I'm doing it.
Are you? You already want the food?
It's real good, doesn't it, Logan?
Be a little while, but he says the potatoes and the carrots and everything, and celery that's cooking, and then they'll be ready. What? Mama?
Okay, I got a coin, and I'm at stage 140. I feel like as the stages go up, they like the things that I'm walking down on right now get like the space in between them get wider. How does it? Oh my gosh! How am I supposed to get up there? How in the name of the world? Yeah. Oh, did you just see me? There. Yeah, Mom, I heard it. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, no, I did not. What? Sorry. Raise them up. Raise them up. No! No. Okay. Sorry, I'm pretty sure you guys can see that my camera is glitching. This is a redo last night's video. Cause hopefully it doesn't keep doing what it did last night. Oh,
That's what you do. Yep, that's Ashley in the house.
You did. Sorry, I'm talking to my mom. Oh, we got upstairs. Oh my gosh. No, I am not doing this. Oh wow. Okay. Sorry, I just got Sorry, I just came home from school and I'm starving. Guys, need to go to Kroger and get some watermelon because it's good. Hello, he'll be doing his later.
Yeah, later on tonight, because I'm really tired.
Yeah, even though you have to sleep in. But that next year you're not going to be able to, which I'm very happy and I don't want to be jealous. No! No! Gosh. No, I keep on doing this. Yes, I keep doing it, Mom.
Yeah, can you not be so loud?
Cut.
Huh?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What'd you say to him?
Can you not be so loud?
Exactly.
So, yeah, we'll see how long they last.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, salt sisters.
Go.
Goldfish or watermelon?
And Mountain Dew. I'm really getting really angry at myself right now. Yep, sure am. Smells like celery. That was weird. So mad at myself. No! My god, that same exact spot every single time. Bentley's. Or am I thinking of Bentley?
It's a Lego party. On April 21st. Which is this week, right?
Saturday. Our siblings allowed to come?
No.
Oh yeah, Mackenzie wants to know if I can stay the night Friday night. I made it! Now I can put this back down. Yeah, she really wants me to. Where she live?
Yeah.
Oh, not in Midrow, no. Oh, she lives somewhere in Middletown. Yeah, and all she really wants me to do is just she wants me to see her and wants me to see her bulldogs. Yeah. Oh, you did? Where were they? No! To be honest, I have no clue. To be honest, I have no clue. Ooh, do you see me hanging off? Holy moly, I'm gonna... Yeah. It's probably in your car. No. Yeah, I did it.
Now I want my car stuff.
Sorry if I'm not talking. I'm trying to concentrate. I'm gonna try to jump when I get to this first one. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! I just did not. No, I didn't. No.
Oh my gosh, what did you just do, Becky?
Really, Mom?
Really?
Oh, they can hear you. They can hear you.
Hey y'all!
Oh, I'm gonna try to.
My daughter's a beast and gonna kick your butt.
Mom!
You gotta have a little fun in this lovely weather.
Yep. Lovely, lovely weather. In Ohio, it sucks. By fall. Oh my gosh. I made it. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Shout out to Kroger's. This is easy. No, I did not. So stupid. Perfecto. Don't know what that was for, but okay. Got races up so I can see. Oh no, I only have. Okay, well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.